As Boko Haram attacks don't start again for northeast communities, Senate don't call on federal government make them quickly establish military base for one local government area of Adamawa state. For plenary on Wednesday, Senate also begged the National Emergency Management Agency, NEMA, make them provide relief materials to all the people where these fresh attacks don't affect. This decision come after one motion where Senator Aminu Abbas, where they represent Adamawa Central, and other senators from Northeast sponsor. For a motion, Senator Abbas talk say, for some weeks now, the insurgents don't turn some areas for Adamawa into killing zones where make people no fit survive for their communities again.
The unfortunate activities of Boko Haram affect the economic activities of the affected areas. And most of the local government now reside within the local government headquarters. By extension, the whole region and the country at large, people in the affected areas no longer go to farms and normal trading activity. The stop that if no proactive action taken, the Boko Haram insurgency is capable of spreading to wider communities in the north and beyond.
The main reason why there is this resurgence is when we are able to achieve relative peace in the northeast, and as a result of the avalanche of banditry and other security concerns across the nooks and crannies of the country, the Nigerian military is overstretched. And most of the equipment and personnel were redeployed to the northwest, where we have the problem of banditry and what have you. So the Boko Haram now took advantage of the vacuum created as a result of redeployment.
Senate President Godswill Akpabio talk say the main wahala na the way Naija borders open anyhow. He say na through these open borders, the kilikili people they use enter Naija easily. Say the problem don't bad reach the level where some communities for the zone don't they show loyalty to the terrorists just to protect themselves.
At any time they fight abet and they think that the military has relaxed, then they will catch them unawares by sporadic attacks. And when they are unprepared, they end up losing lives and properties. Our borders are very porous. So even when they escape from Nigeria, because some of them are not from Nigeria, they still find their way in at any time and crossing to attack our people.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimwa, TMC News.